Hello, cats. It's your favorite cat here, Judgmental Cat and everything. I am playing Balatro today for the sole reason that I want to make sure that this program actually records my voice properly and everything. We are skipping for that 10 mult, I'm telling you that right now. Now we're gonna get screwed. Hell yeah. We're gonna get screwed. I mean, it's not horrible. Was it good? Fuck no. Oh, I'm fucked. Oh my goodness, I got a flush. So anyway, why I'm playing Balatro is not because I was in the mood to play Balatro, more so to do with the fact of the matter. This card's useless. This card's useless. Now, fuck! I fucked it. I fucked it. That's my other Joker. Oh yeah, take that Joker. Then we buy this Joker. Yeah, could have got more money. Of course, it gets rid of all my clubs. Why? Well, why wouldn't it get rid of all my fucking clubs? I don't know. Maybe I foolishly thought I wouldn't get fucked here. What's this one? 3 of a kind. Okay, that's not that hard. That's an amazing card. Okay, we're just gonna sell you. Because we're gonna buy that. Next round, we are buying that no matter what. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Wow. The straight. That's huge. This card is one of the most important cards for me to get a win with. I've come to terms with. That's amazing. We have one more, so we're actually gonna take this. Because what we can do is destroy one card. I don't want to destroy the rare cards, so we'll just wait a moment for that. Yeah, we can play this. I'm not mad with using that. Because then, oh, 3 of a kind, yeah, we want the 3 of a kind card. Oof. What does this sell for? Don't really have a lot of tarot cards, so we're actually gonna skip on that. The card's actually not good for us right now and everything. Now, I worry about the fact of the matter is because I have it so fucking loud on my end and everything. We got lucky there. Got extremely lucky there and everything. Now, I worry that I'm going to be, like, extremely... Oh, part of me wants to get this one. Because that card's too good. We'll keep this one, worst case scenario, if we don't make enough gold and everything. We're keeping that. That's too good of a card. Oh, got a potential flusher. Yeah, we do. Sick. I want to buy that, but I'm not going to. The triple thing is too good. Yo, can I get another thingy? Yo, can I get another thingy? Okay, that's good enough. Convert all cards in the hand to a random single suit. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna rock all diamonds. Full house diamonds. Wow. That was worth it. Oh, Oh, that's huge. Yeah, we're gonna buy that. And we're gonna buy this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the hand. This is the hand we want to destroy. Yeah, buy. And then we can just discard all of this. Got a whole new hand. Sick. Ooh, I should have used that, but oh well. Well, I can figure out some other time I can use that. We do got 3 of a kind here. But I kind of want to be greedy. Being greedy did not pay off. And we still got it and everything, but like, yeah. Destroy 1 card. Molt hearts. Ooh, yeah, these are some decisions. Yeah, we want this. Oh, actually, yeah. We can play this. Here's how we can play this. Yeah, we're gonna use that. I know it's gambling. I know it's gambling, but it fucking paid off. Holy shit, that was a W. I should have grabbed the 1 card. Oh well. Happens. Can't pick every single good card. Convert all to 1 suit. More holographic cards, yeah. We want that. Man, I finally got a decent setup with this deck. I'm actually surprised. Just trying to get a diamond. It didn't work out. Okay, we got something here. Not perfect, but good enough. I can turn 2 cards into wealth cards, so I will. Oh, wait. That's a flush right there. Didn't see that. Right away and everything. Man, we're killing it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna reroll it. I know it's risky. I'm actually gonna buy this because it's more molt, even though it's not that good of a joker for us. I stand corrected. It's a very good joker for us. Okay, we got another flush here. I know that technically the 3 of a kind actually would have gave us more. Well, now that I realize that. Ooh. There we go. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that because we need more gold. I'm gonna buy that because the straight, potential straight, can help us out. Large blind. Oh, that helped. Yep. Damn. Fucked it there. We got something here, so we're gonna play it. Damn. Thing broke. Oof. Okay, yeah, we gotta convert them all to... Ooh, that helped. I thought that was a different card. Works out for us. Damn, I should have used that. Oh well. Could've got us a bit more gold. Yeah, we're selling you. That. And that would help us, but necessarily no. That does help us. But we are still going to use this. Yeah, we'll use it on the 2s. I know necessarily I don't want to do that, but it'll pay off. We're gonna reroll once. Last card's too valuable. We have to take that. This would be good, but the first card we trigger kind of helps us a lot right now. Yeah, we need more money. More money. As much as I want these, they're not that helpful. Yeah, they're not that helpful. That's helpful. That's worth skipping for and everything. Okay. Actually, I want to see if I can play this the right way. I'm not. Okay. Gonna play it in such a way that I don't want to, but have to. I fucked up. I fucked up there. Damn. Oh well. Would've, should've, could've. Thankfully, we got that. Okay, so yeah, sell this. Sell this. Sell this. Okay, so we got 15, 20 plus 50, 10, 10, 10. Okay. I don't want to buy that. That hurt us. I'm gonna try for one more. I'm gonna reroll one more time. Fucked us. It didn't. It fucked us. No face cards. That's bad. We got flush right here. Thank fuck. I gotta get our last card in there. Now what has more vault? This or this? Full house is better. Fuck. The banana's better. But wait, I do want to roll this just in case. Not any good, but worth selling. Can get 2 bonus cards, yes. Yes. Cool. Okay, sick. Alright, that's a flush. That fucked us. Sick. No, these are good. None of them. Yeah, that's not too bad. Oh, I didn't see that was a royal full house and everything thing. That's pretty freaking cool and whatnot. Is it recording still? Yeah, it's still recording. I was worried I wasn't recording. Trash. Let's go gambling. Oh yeah, we want more diamonds necessarily, but that's too good to pass up. Straight and a full house race, yeah. Okay, Still good. But we're gonna get fucked. We're gonna get fucked here. Yeah. We got fucked. Playing a flesh sets money to 0. Okay. That's cute. Thank fuck. So we have 0 money again. Fuck you, game. Eat shit. We gotta keep that too. We need the money. Fuck. I'm fucked. Oh yeah, I lost. Alright. I'm gonna see my footage and stuff and stop the editing here. Alright, catch you later. Hello, cats. It's your favorite cat here.